Hello folks, in this video we're going to take a look at how we can have more than one animation in a character. So first of all, we need to choose our character. We can have our own character and import it, or we can choose the default characters that are available in the iClone. So I go to the actor, character, and closed, and here I choose Kevin. So once the character is actually ready, what we need to do is add the animations. First of all, I want to add walking animation, and I need to combine three different animations. The first one is start walking, and then it continue walking, and then stop walking. So we need to find animations here, motion, human male, and move. Please note that you can have your own animations. You can export them from Mixamo or other sources and combine them here. There's the same procedure for all of them. Okay, so here I choose walk start as the first animation. Then I press F3 so that I can see the timeline. I move cursor so that it is not actually on the walking, actually on the first animation. And then I want to add the second animation, which is walking, and then I move the cursor further and add walk stop. Okay, so we have two animation, and we need to wait for the last one to be added. Okay, here we have three different animations, and let's play it one time. Okay, play it from start. Okay, it start walking, it actually pause and stop and continue and then stop. Okay, what we need to do is that we need to add these three animations together. So first it is walk start, and then we need to move walk loop to actually at the end of the walk start. Okay, and then we need to attach walk end at the end of walk. Okay, so this way you can see this is the result. It is starts walk and continue and then stop walking. You can add also different animation after the stop. You can add, for example, stand to sit animation, which is we need to find it here. We go to the human male and perform. We have stand to sit here, and we can add it at the end of walk end. So we attach it, and then let's see the result. When it stops walking, it starts sitting.